Yo, what's up guys? I finally bought Power Company ceiling fan. As you guys can see here, this is the model of the fan. As you guys can see, power fan, pure copper winding. Check the base. It have a very beautiful base, as you guys can see here. These are the blades. Look at the blade design. For the back side, and I bought this fan for restoration. So tell me in the comment section, do you want its review before the restoration, or should I just directly restore the fan? Please let me know in the comment section. And thanks for watching guys.